Hello guys, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to further organize your measures. So to make it easy to pick measures related to a particular thing or a particular parameter that you want to show. If it's related to loan, if it's related to transaction, and if it's related to total customers. So in the context of what we have here. So we'll go to modeling. This is our measures, all the measures we've created. So what we'll do is to look out for the ones that has transaction in them, look out for the ones that have loans and put them on the folder. So let's select transaction. You can hold shift and control. So we're selecting everything that has to do with transactions. Transactions. So we're selecting every parameter that has to do with transactions. So this is everything. We'll come to this display folder right here and we'll call this transactions. So that creates a folder that everything on transaction store under. So I can minimize this. So the second thing is to search for everything that is related to loans. So let's see. Okay, this is also transaction. Average transaction per customer. I'll just come to the display folder and type in transactions. So it will go to that same folder. Let's say transaction or transactions. So it has to be transactions, yes. It goes to that same folder. Okay. So everything that is related to loans, this top 3 sales, team ranking, I think running total, we did running total for loans. This customer, this related to customer. This customer, this loan. So just select everything, holding control. Okay, this transaction, move it to transaction later. It's loan. Okay, shift and control loan. Oh wow. I've succeeded in ruining the rest. So I have to select again. Okay. So this is also loan. So running total, team ranking, top 3 sales, all related to loan. So I come to my display folder and call these loans. So it organizes under a folder called loans. Okay. You can see that it's getting smaller. So all these are related to customer, this transaction. Okay, let's go up. Okay, I think this loan. Okay, all these are customer measures. Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to type here. So display folder, customer, and put M there, measures. Okay, you can name it what you like. So loans, this falls under transactions. Okay, transactions. Just trying to organize everything so that, okay, I have transactions, I have loans, I have customer. Here, this is loan. All these are table functions. So I call this table functions. Okay, why percentage achieved is loan. Okay, loans, not loan. So I'll create another folder. Yeah, so loans. can see all my measures are now neatly sorted out. When I go to my canvas now, if I need to pick anything on customers, you can see very clean. Transactions, I just come down here, pick anything I want to pick on transactions. So same thing for the rest. That is why organizing your measures into groups is very critical. It saves you time. It makes your workspace neater. So that will be all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.